how to do headstand for beginners. Now I'll try headstand in simple line with my two hands and head. Now you can see my balance off. It is very difficult, therefore it is wrong way. Now I'll teach how to do very comfortable and very easy way. It is called 3 legs table theory. Now I'll teach how to do very comfortable and easy way. Now you can see I am just like a 3 legs table. Now I can maintain my balance easily. Remember, you can use cushion for your head. It is very important for our cardiovascular system. Now let's see the summary. How to do headstand very easily and you can maintain your balance. It is very comfortable way. See you in the next video.